today's our topic is this is our 12 volts BMS controlled battery, and today's topic is how to make a this is the converter, DC to AC converter. This is how to blow a bulb, AC bulb with 12 volts battery by DC to AC converter. This is converting the 12 volts to 230 watt converter. This is now let's start, friends. Before I explain this battery, lithium batteries. These are means laptop batteries in the laptops are there. No, that are these are. This is the 12 volts. This is circuit. This BMS. BMS means nothing but battery management system. It helps us to when the battery is overloaded, or it like this. When we touch this, it will come fire. No, that this management system don't. It will help to don't come the fire when these two wires are attached. And when we use overly from this battery, it will cut offs, means self cut off is there in this board, and it takes all over the batteries power. No one by step not there. All batteries are one only. And when we charge this battery, it will takes if it what charging it want, at that amount only it will takes the charging, and it cut off when our charging will comes, it will cut off. This is the BMS board. We can order in Amazon. Keep in Amazon search for BMS board. These boards will come. This is the 12 volts board, friends. 20H. This is board. When we if you want 24 also there, 36, that like many BMS boards are there. And 6 volts boards, 3 volts boards are there. These are the batteries, friends. If these two wires are touch each other, unfortunately, it will cut off. And when we boost means give another battery, and it will recharge. That is its policy, friends. Once taped, friends, because if it touches the wire, it will again I will have to boost it battery. Now I will explain, friends. I will first explain the board. This is the board, circuit board. Friends, here there now, friends. B1 means battery management 1. This gray color wire there, friends. This go to here come. First of all, these batteries are connected in a series, friends, because 3.7 we will extend into 12 volts now, friends. That's why it is connected in series. And this is one set, this is another set. Because two sets are there now, it will increase the amp, battery H, it will increase, because we have to when we work, if we lift 25 kgs bag on your own, it will not, it we go only some distance. If 2 members or 3 members there, we can go more distance. That's only if we add another, it will increase the amp, and it will work many hours. See friends, this is connected in series. This is one set, this is another set. See friends, here this is looping friends. Here minus, this is negative, this is negative. Here loop, and here also loop friends. This is negative, this is negative. Here two loops are there, and turn back. Here friends, here negative negative loop and negative negative loop. Here this is connected. When amp increases, the it will come many more hours. This is the BMS, battery management system circuit board. These are the batteries. I soldered before only friends. This is take the wires there, no friends. These wires like in the inside sleeve were there, no friends, that were taken the solder here and there. This when we loop here onwards go to, this is a take outside. These are no need friends, we tested only. This is only. And one thing friends, now I am saying explaining about board, circuit board. See friends, B minus there, no friends. B minus means battery minus. We can connect the battery minus here, and battery plus is here. Battery minus, battery plus, battery minus, battery plus. This is the battery minus connected. B plus means battery plus, B minus means battery minus. Here P minus there, no friends. P minus means the output, and here output and input only we give in these wires. P minus and P plus, these two wires. This is the positive, this is negative. And B3 there, no friends. Here white wire there, no friends, white. It will connect at the I will say here looping there, no friends. In that it will connect a battery 3, and battery 2 means white wire. Here battery 3 green wire friends, green wire backside came. See friends, here loop, and battery 1 means gray color wire. Here also gave the loop. Here connected and gave the loop. This is about the battery pack friends. This is the battery pack. Now we will start our real experiment. Now let's start friends. I put the battery at this side. I said no friends in the first, in the starting. It is the converter, DC to AC converter, 12 volts to 230 volts. This is converted. I am opening. Let's see friends. See friends, these are the bulbs, indication bulbs here are given. We can buy in the shops. It is available like this only. See friends, this is the board. This is the circuit board. I connected the wires. These are the bulb wires friends. Bulb, it will work TV also friends. TV or bulbs or fans, we will connect here only. This is the battery wire friends, 12 volts battery wire. 12 volts battery wire friends. I will show you where I am connected this battery wire. See friends, here this is the battery, this is the bulb plus and minus. This is the output friends. You think this is the output and this is the input, means battery, and it is the battery input. This is the AC means current electricity output, friends. High voltage only come. And this is the battery. Here I connected the battery plus and battery minus. This is the connections, friends. All over the it will be able to very easy, friends. This is now I closed. Now we will test it. Take a bulb and a holder, friends. This is the Surya 8 watt bulb, friends. 8 watt. This is the bulb holder, friends. We will connect here the wires, here and here. Now we will put this bulb in this bulb holder. See, friends, I kept. Now take the two bulb wires. I forgot to say, friends, this is the switch wire. Here, there, no, friends. Switch wire. This is. We are able to buy a switch and here cut off. I am searching for a switch. Not there here. Switches are not there. That's why we can here. When we touch these two wires, it will glow, friends. Now this is the positive, friends. And this connect. This light, friends. How I am connecting, connect like this only, friends. And tape it, friends. I am put tape. I taped it, friends. Now connect the battery. I will switch wires. Now connect the battery, friends. This double. This is the battery, friends. BMS, I said that. This is the positive wire and the battery positive. Now connect these two. Battery negative, friends, and board circuit board negative. Now connect. It will not glow, friends, because the switch wires are not connected. When we connect these both, friends, it will glow. See, friends, it is working, friends. See, friends, bulb. It will work on a TV also, friends. TV, fan, and we can work it. See, friends, bulb. Switch wires, these are switch wires. When we discharge it, it will not glow. and when we attach it, it will glow, friends. It is the indication light, friends. It is working or not. Green light. This is the indication light. When it is over, it will come to red light and go off because BMS is there, no friends. It will help to overload. If we overloaded, it will go off by its own. This is our bulb, friends. It is glowing very brightly, like that bulb. Same like that bulb. See, friends. See, see, friends. I have that bulb. See, friends. Like that bulb only, it is glowing. See, friends. That bulb is off. See, friends. It is emergency, or we can put our emergency light. We can use like that. It is fitted on another box like this. Another box. We can make it. And in the next video, I will show you that this is the pack, and when we keep here bulb, it will glow, friends. In this battery, 7 amp AH battery, we can keep 12 volts, friends. So we can keep this battery also in this. I will show in the next video. It is also very useful. It is useful to carry also. It will also change same like this, friends. AC, DC volts to AC. It is also, friends. It is very interesting, and the next video I will show, friends. Uh, this is the part. This is the charging pin for this charging pin. We only made this is the fuse and a plug, another charger we can keep. This is the on off button. CFL first means this is three bulbs we can glow, friends. This and three bulbs we can glow. On main, when we on this this red light will glow. When we are charging battery full, green will come, and overloaded means red will come and battery will go off. Low battery means green light will come. On charging means this yellow light will come on UPS. When we are on this UPS, it will on, and main on. This is, friends. In the next video I will show this maximum 45 watt load, friends. This is 3 cells means bulbs. 4 watt DC fan and 3.5 hours it will come microprocessors. This is the UPS, friends. In the next video I will show. Please subscribe my channel, friends. Please encourage me, and this like power saving ideas I will do so much, but you encourage me and subscribe my channel. Bye, friends.